Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be driving the full Cent Turbo Civic with its new built motor that's capable and going to be making like 500 wheel horsepower. Yes, obviously it's NA right now, but this is the first time that I'm going to feel the car move under its own power. I am on my way home from work, and as soon as I get home we are going to get started and hopefully get this thing out on the road. I'm so excited. It's 69 degrees today, boys! Woo-hoo-hoo! So all we have to do to get this car driving is zip tie the throttle cable in place, steal the battery out of the EK, and steal the radiator fan shroud and fan out of the EK. Yes, that will immobilize the EK for the meantime, but I already have another radiator fan for that car, which I'll hardwire in, and I just have to get another battery for it, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go grab the battery out of the EK, throw it in here. So here's the idea with this throttle cable. The adjustment section of the throttle cable, it's not in the right place for this bracket. Even if I move this bracket back a set of bolts, it still isn't quite right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this bracket back a set of bolts on the intake manifold, and then I'm just gonna straight up zip tie this random ass sketchy bracket that I made straight to the bracket on the intake manifold. That's gonna be purely temporary. We're going out to Mark's shop later tonight to fix this and put a real throttle cable in there, one that actually works for this car. But just to drive it around the block and get it out to Mark's, this is gonna do just fine. All right, cool. I'm gonna try to start it. One last look over here. Fires right up. So smooth too. Oh, I'm such a happy dad. All right, now I'm gonna see just if I can move it under its own power. I'm literally just gonna back it up and pull it forward up into the driveway. I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited. It should drive. It should have no problem driving, but I'm still so nervous and so excited. Let's do it. I'm so happy right now, boys. I just shut it off for one reason and one reason only. It's running on kind of a sketchy tune, so it was running a little bit lean. I wanted to let it idle and just get up to temp right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get a base map that my friend Eduardo sent me, load it onto this ECU, and then we'll try again. I found this tune on the Honda Evolve, and it's not quite set up for this car. So let's get the tune figured out, and then we'll take it around the block. One last pre-rec. I haven't eaten dinner yet. I just got home from work and started cranking on this thing. So now that I know it runs and drives, I gotta get some food in me. So we are doing some charcoal tonight. We're doing some cheddar dogs, cheddar jalapeno dogs, and some Billy Goat burgers from the Billy Goat Tavern in Chicago. I know a bunch of you guys are gonna be like, don't use lighter fluid, it's bad for you. You're right. We light this shit boosted John style. We got some bold smoky wood flavor charcoal, mesquite. Oh, that smells so good. Ooh. Oh, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Boys, I've been monkeying around with this car's tune, trying to get it to idle right for a while now. It's dark, as you can see. Finally got it. pretty good. So Kern and I are gonna take it for a little drive. We're gonna go around the block a little bit. We're gonna try to go to the gas station because the gas that is in this car is definitely old. God, dude, I'm so excited. Let's do it. Go around the block once. That's good. That's good. That's a little lean.
It's so low. The whole time it's like this though.
Oh, in the camera? Okay, sorry about the camera shake, boys. Sometimes AFRs are good, sometimes they're too lean. Like that was a little too lean, 19 to 1. This is okay.
Alright, hold on.
We could definitely get it to the gas station to get some gas in her. Let's do that. To the gas station we go, boys. First fill up. So different than the EK. It's crazy. It's crazy how much of a difference this thing is. It's so planted, you know? Dude, like, it's so solid. Gas time.
This is probably gonna be the most expensive fill up.
I bet, dude. Premium right now in Chicago is ridiculous, dude. Look at this. $5.49. $5.49, Kern. Oh Jesus, dude. And she's on E. She's on E. Oh boy. I wanna see this valve cover and gas station light. Woo. Huh?
How much do you think it's gonna be?
How much do you think it's gonna be? Take bets in the comments, boys. How much do you think gas is gonna be? We're already at 25 bucks.
For this little...
Oof. God damn. Dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude. Oh, I heard it pop. How much? 51. $51 for a Civic, dude. Holy shit.
Like what?
Like 40. Dude, it looks so good. It's so dirty and so ugly right now because it doesn't have the bumper or anything. You gotta turn on that light. I just saw a cop, boys. I just saw a police officer. I pulled right into the neighborhood. I said, no thank you.
Dude, it's so loud.
I mean, dude, AFRs are good. AFRs are good. We could go to the car wash. You want to?
Yeah.
Bring it. It's even a little bit rich in under load, like first and second gear. Once I get up in the RPMs a little bit, it's a little rich. I know that's not necessarily great for a brand new motor, but this is only temporary. I'm not trying to speed right now, but I'm really trying to maintain my AFRs. I'm trying to keep them in a usable area. I don't want them to be too seems like when I just am coasting with my foot on the gas, they lean out quite a bit. They're at like 16, 17 to 1. My heart is racing. Like, not like we're driving fast or anything, but it's so much adrenaline driving on a new motor. It's so scary. It's a $3 minimum. This one's cash only, and I literally have $3 on me, boys. 4 minutes of car washing for $3. All right, okay, here we go. 4 minutes. 4 minutes on the clock. Oh. Come on.